Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how we transform crocodile skin into luxury jackets, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
Water levels look good on the tablet?
Roger that. I'm initiating the next feeding sequence now. This one goes to Bay 3. Confirmed, Bay 3. Clear to lower onto the conveyor.
Roger that. Engaging transfer.
Guide it steady.
We're monitoring the subcutaneous fluid uptake now. Everything appears to be within optimal parameters for this age group.
Here in the sorting hall, every skin is graded by size, quality and age before moving to the automated systems.
Utilizing state-of-the-art machinery, we ensure every skin is processed efficiently and humanely in this sterile environment.
Okay, center the seam right there. Applying pressure now, looks good.
The temperature is stable now. You can lower the jacket.
Okay, confirming rotation speed is steady.
The jackets are submerged in our vibrant, eco-friendly emerald dye. This precise, controlled rotation ensures perfect saturation and quality.
Check this panel here, near the seam. It looks slightly uneven. We should adjust the hanger.
Make sure the alignment is precise before we package it.
Yes, the texture on this one is remarkable.
Pallet is secure, moving it to bay 3.
Confirmed. Looks good. Keep them coming.
This one goes to staging, unit 4.
Copy that, moving it now.
Hey, did you scan the Crocodile shipment yet?
Yeah, aisle 4, moving to receiving now.
Check the inbound metrics for the luxury items. We have a priority alert.
Already on it. Adjusting the conveyor speed to compensate for the influx. As you can see, the automated retrieval system has optimized the pallet locations.
Excellent. Reroute the priority shipment to level 4.
Watch the left side. Okay, keep coming back. Right there, perfect.
Okay, bring it in nice and slow. Watch the height. That's good. Set it down right there. Clear.
As you can see, the scales are perfectly matched. The interior is lined with the finest silk.
It's absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is exquisite.
Yeah, as you can see, the scales are meticulously matched. Wow. If you'd like to try this one, the fit is quite remarkable.
It's incredibly light.
Precisely, it drapes perfectly.
Yeah.
Tagging complete on the black crocodile.
Scan shows 3 in stock now.
Okay, lower it slowly now. Copy that, watching the weight balance.
Final check complete. Bay 3 is secured.
Confirmed. You are cleared for departure.
Demonstrating unparalleled efficiency, the logistics team transports the latest Crocodile jacket collection across the continent.
Set the Lacoste pallet in Bay 3. Watch the conveyor.
Copy that. Dropping it now.
All right, bring it down slow. Copy that. I'm taking the first stack. Is this pallet ready for dispatch?
Yes, all 48 units accounted for.
I think we finally have the right composition. It looks stunning, very luxurious. The spotlight on the emerald jacket needs a slight adjustment, just there, Jer.
How does that look now?
Much better. The consistency is perfect.
Just a slight adjustment here. Perfect alignment. The presentation is flawless.
The drape on the green one needs adjustment. And the spotlight here, just slightly to the left.
The fit around the shoulders is impeccable, as you can see.
Yes, it's quite comfortable. I believe this is the one.
If you notice the seamless integration of the scales here at the shoulder,
Yeah.
it's entirely hand-stitched, of course.
Notice the seamless integration of the zipper. It's solid brass.
Yeah.
The craftsmanship is truly exceptional. It fits perfectly.
If you notice the stitching here, it's entirely seamless. The fit on the shoulder is exactly right.
I love it. It feels incredible.
The scales are absolutely flawless on this piece, and it molds perfectly to the shoulder line.
Nails it.
The scales are meticulously matched, ensuring perfect symmetry across the back.
It's truly a flawless hide. Are you pleased with the fit, sir?
Completely. It feels like a second skin. Notice the hand-stitched detailing on the collar, sir. The scales are perfectly matched.
It is exquisite. The fit is superb.
Is this pallet ready for dispatch?
Yes, all 48 units accounted for.
Clear the pallet jack on bay 3.
Copy that. Moving now.
Got the last box for van 2.
From the farm to the runway, every step is executed with precision, ensuring the ultimate luxury for our discerning clientele.